How to remove multiple Snapchat friends at once. So first is you have to go to your Snapchat application, and here you will be directed to your camera. Now all you have to do is to go to your profile. On the upper left, you will see your profile there. Just tap on that and scroll down till you see the friends section here. Now under friends section, you will see two different options such as add friends and my friends. So you want to go to your friends list. If you tap on my friends, it will lead you to your friends list or all your friends on Snapchat. Now, Snapchat actually removed the option where you could remove multiple Snapchat friends at once. But the thing is, you could actually remove that friend directly. On the right side, you will see alphabets there. And let's say you want to remove a specific person, then you just have to go to that letter and just long press the person's name and go to manage friendship, then remove friends and confirm to remove friends. So basically, that is how to remove multiple Snapchat friends at once. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.